we were discussing about introduction. So you will use this website to understand what the whole of the essay is. The first question is, what is an introduction paragraph? The introduction paragraph is the first paragraph of your essay. What does it contain? It introduces the main topic of your essay. A good opening paragraph captures the interest of your reader and tells why your topic is important. So the main purpose of an introduction paragraph is to catch the interest of the reader. How do I write one? Write the thesis statement. The main idea of the essay is stated in a single sentence called the thesis statement. You must limit your entire essay to the topic you have introduced in your thesis statement, which means that the whole essay should revolve around your thesis statement, the central idea you have discussed in the introduction. Now, he has given us two examples. Hockey has been a part of life in Canada for over 120 years. It has evolved into an extremely popular sport, watched and played by millions of Canadians. The game has gone through several changes since hockey was first played in Canada. This is a sample or an example of an introduction. You can see that the first sentence is called the topic sentence, then sporting sentence, and later on he has given us a thesis statement. This is how you arrange your introduction. Do you have any questions? Should we move forward?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, sporting paragraphs. As we have earlier discussed, the sporting paragraphs are basically body paragraphs of an essay. What are sporting paragraphs? Sporting paragraphs make up the main body of your essay. What do? They develop the main idea of your essay. How do I write them? They have given 3 steps to write body paragraph. List the points that develop the main idea of your essay. List the most important one first, then second important, and the third important. Place each sporting point in its own paragraph. Develop each sporting point with facts, details, and examples. It depends upon you how you are going to discuss that body paragraph. Now, he has given us 4 lists of words. You can choose either of them to develop your body paragraph. I will ask both of you to choose one for yourself, then I will give that to your partner and he will use your words to develop body paragraph. Can you come and choose one?
Yeah.
Can you please come and choose one? Just circle and mute them. Now, this one is Zainab's, this one is yours. I will give this one to you to use all those words to develop your body paragraph. Can you make any sentence by using these 3 words? Use any of the words and develop a paragraph. I mean, the topic sentence, any paragraph.
However, I didn't have a breakfast in the morning, even though I was really hungry.
Okay.
On the other hand, what is on the other hand, I could have another chance to have a breakfast.
Okay, that's good.
Nevertheless, I didn't have any lunch.
That's good. Zainab, can you use her chosen words?
I didn't finish my assignment.
Okay.
Therefore, I will stay in the library till night.
All right. Any of these words as a result of or consequently?
As a result of being awake the whole night, so I feel so tired.
Okay. And then consequently? You have been working since morning, so consequently you're going to sleep.
Sleep, yeah.
Okay. All right. Now, summary paragraph. Summary paragraph is basically the conclusion of an essay. We summarize all the detail which we have discussed in the introduction and the body paragraphs. He has given us 3 steps. Restate the strongest point of your essay that support your main idea. You have to restate that point. It means the thesis statement. Then conclude your essay by restating the main idea in different words. Give your proposal, opinion, or suggest a plan for action. It doesn't mean that the introduction or the summary is basically the restatement of the introduction. It is to some extent, but it is not the whole introduction. What you do in conclusion is that you restate what you have discussed in the conclusion and then give some opinion, personal opinion, a suggestion. You can add an advice, you can ask a question to the reader for further work on the same topic. If the reader is interested in your topic, he will act upon your advice or suggestion or the question you have asked, and he will search for an answer. If he is not interested, then he will leave everything on the paper. He has given us an example. Overall, the topic sentence which he chose for hockey, for explaining hockey in Canada. Overall, the changes that occurred in hockey have helped to improve the game. Hockey is faster and more exciting as a result of changes in the past 120 years. For these reasons, modern hockey is a better game than hockey in the 1890s. You see, all the detail, all the facts and figures, all the points he discussed in introduction and body paragraph, he has restated all those points in a different way and has also provided some additional information like, for these reasons, modern hockey is a better game than hockey in the 1890s. This has not been discussed in the previous paragraph. Now, writing strategies. The first one is called pre-writing essays. We also know it with the term brainstorming. We use the term brainstorming. You have learned that brainstorming when you were learning paragraph writing. So what is pre-writing stage? The pre-writing stage is when you prepare your ideas for your essay before you begin writing. Before beginning your writing, you use this stage. We have a visual for this one. This one is a visual for brainstorming. We write the whole topic in the center, circle it, and whatever ideas, the scattered ideas in our mind, we just put them on the paper. Everybody has some information about most of the topics, but they are in scattered form. You just gather them on the paper in scattered form and then organize them. The most important point first, the second most important point secondly, and the third most important point thirdly. In this way, you organize and arrange your essay. This one is a visual of brainstorming. Now, this one is the outline which you will do after the brainstorming stage. You will have to outline all of your essay. I have provided you with an example of cause and effect essay outline. What you are supposed to do is, we have learned most of the things about essay. Your next task is to go home, work on this outline, choose a topic. I'm giving you an option. Choose a topic of your choice, gather your data by doing the activity of brainstorming, and then outline your data in this form. Introduction, hook, background information, thesis statement. Then body paragraph, it could be the cause one of any effect, or it could be the effect one of any cause. Then body paragraph cause 2. Then body paragraph 3, cause 3, and then conclusion. You have to restate everything which has been discussed previously, and then evaluation, reflection, or advice. This one is your task. Hope you have learned something from today's class. You were assigned this assignment. I will check with you in the next class. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.